Hey guys, today we have a Vitrano quick mill that was brought to us, and it hadn't been used in about 2 years, and the owners had it for about 12 years. So it just required a tune-up. We noticed that it was leaking from the steam wand right above here, so we just tightened that up, and we pretty much gave it an all-around tune-up. Yeah. So let's pull a shot and see how it's looking. Nice coloration, good flow. Really nice bit of crema bubbling up on there. Looking good. Let's test out the water spout. Nice. Turn that off. And let's test out the steam. Seems looking good. Alright, if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe along with giving us a share. See you later.